What if you could create the life of your dreams in just 3 days? Close your eyes for a moment. Take a deep breath. Now, open them and listen closely. You're about to learn something that will change your life forever. Today, I'm going to tell you about a belief system so powerful it can make your dreams come true in just 3 days. Yes, you heard that right. 3 days. Impossible? What if it's not? What if you could have everything you desire simply by believing it's already yours? This isn't magic, it's not a trick. It's the incredible power of your mind. And today I'll show you how to use it. For years, I've studied the human brain, consciousness, and the quantum field. I've seen people heal themselves from chronic illnesses, create abundance out of nowhere, and find love when they thought all hope was lost. How do they do it? They use the exact method I'm about to share with you. It all starts with a simple idea. Your thoughts create your reality. Every thought sends a signal to the universe, like placing an order at a cosmic restaurant. The problem is most people keep ordering the same thing. Their problems, fears, and limitations. And guess what? That's exactly what they get. But you're different. You're here because you're ready for change. You're ready to create the life you've always dreamed of. And today, I'll show you how. The first step is visualization. You need to see your desired outcome so clearly in your mind that it feels real. I'm not talking about a vague wish or a fleeting daydream. I'm talking about a vivid, detailed picture that engages all your senses. If you want a new car, don't just see it. Hear the engine purr, feel the smooth leather of the steering wheel, smell that new car scent. Make it so real that your brain can't tell the difference between your visualization and reality. But here's the key. You can't just visualize it once. You need to do this every single day, multiple times a day. Make it part of your routine, like brushing your teeth or eating breakfast. The more you do it, the stronger the signal you send to the universe. But visualization alone isn't enough. You need to combine it with a powerful emotional state. Your thoughts are the signal, but your emotions are the fuel that amplifies that signal. Think about a time when you felt incredibly happy, deeply in love, or bursting with excitement. Remember how that felt in your body. That's the state you need to recreate when you visualize your goal. Feel the joy, the gratitude, the excitement as if you've already achieved what you want. But here's where most people go wrong. They visualize, feel good for a moment, and then slip back into their old patterns. That's why the next step is so important. You need to live from the end. Think, feel, and act as if you already have what you want. If you're visualizing financial abundance, start feeling grateful for the money you have now. If you're visualizing perfect health, start treating your body as if it's already healed. This isn't about pretending. It's about aligning your energy with what you want to create. Now, let's talk about the 3-day window. Why 3 days? Because that's typically how long it takes for your brain to start accepting a new pattern as real. For 3 days, you need to be relentless in your focus. Wake up each morning and immediately visualize your goal. Feel the emotions of already having it. Then, throughout the day, keep coming back to that vision. Use every spare moment to reinforce your new reality. But here's the crucial part. During these 3 days, eliminate anything that contradicts your new belief. No complaining, no worrying, no negative self-talk. If a doubtful thought comes up, don't fight it. Just gently redirect your focus back to your vision. Remember, this isn't a one-time process. It's a consistent practice. At first, it might feel like effort, but over time, it will become your new normal. Every thought, every emotion, every inspired action brings you closer to the life you desire. So commit to yourself. For the next 3 days, live as if your life depends on it, because in a very real sense, it does. Visualize with clarity, feel with intensity, act with purpose. The world is waiting for the greatness only you can offer. Your new life begins now. Make it extraordinary. If you have found value on this video, please give us a like. Share with your friends and family to help us grow our community. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell to get notification every time we upload a new video. Keep manifesting wonders in your life.